Legit nga daw ba yung training center? Ayan nga, ang dami kasi nagme-message sa'min, nagtatanong, ayan nga, natatakot nga daw sila baka nga daw fake or hindi legit yung training center. Kasi nga daw before parang nag-down payment na sila or nag-reserve sa ibang training, tapos scam pala. So paano nga daw ba sila mache-check? So first, check their online or social media presence. Check their Facebook account, Meta, Instagram, or TikTok account. So malaga, of course, I think may good reviews yan. And ayan nga, hindi siguro luck. And mas maganda nga kung business account sila. I-check nyo na rin sa Google Map or Google profile nila. And also, check if they have a physical address. So, mas maganda nga sa training ninyo, sa pupuntahan ninyong training center, pwedeng puntahan nyo rin and i-verify, di ba? I-visit nyo talaga sila and i-check kung legitimate nga sila na training center. And they should also have business papers, permits, licenses. Like us, yan, meron DTI, SEC, BAR, Mayor's Permit, Business Permit, and other things na needed niya. Yan. So, ayan nga ang sa amin, no? Complete papers. And mas maganda rin if may accreditation or association sila. Like sa amin, we are member of Philippine Association of Aesthetician of the Philippines, and also International Education Board, and also Philippine Chamber of Commerce. And pinaka-importante, important of all, ito, alam na alam to ng mga business-to-business transaction. Kailangan nakakapag-issue ng BIR, receipt, or invoice yan. So katulad nga namin, meron talaga kaming BIR receipt and kailangan nga registered sila talaga as a training center. Yan. So if you have any questions for our latest schedule and rates, please message our page. Thank you.